Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to guide you on how to install Marbooks Pro, a voice changer software. So all you need to do is to go to screamingbee.com. So I am going to put the link on this below video description for your further reference. So by the way, what is the purpose of this software? This software can able to change your voice online and in-game. Means to say guys that if you're a gamer or you're making an online tutorial, this is the right software you need. This software takes your voice changing to a new level with superior voice learning technology and has a good sound quality. Now, let's proceed the installation. As you can see on my screen, there are two options, Windows and Mac. So for my case, I am using Windows operating system, so that is why I am going to click Windows. Okay, let's wait for the installer to be downloaded. Okay, we need to install. Run as administrator. Click install. Click next. Agree. Next. Yes, next. Just leave as default. Next. Yes, here it is. Okay, in this section, you need to click manual request because you are given a public key for you to use this software. Manual request, click I have a manual activation code. So how to get a manual activation code? So okay, now just close it and go back to the installer or the software. Okay, that's it. Okay, we will integrate the child voice effects on OBS. So as you can hear, that's a child voice effects. Now go to your OBS settings, go to mic aux properties and click microphone Screamingbee audio. Let's try.
Okay, here we go. So as you can see, my voice is changing. So from a normal voice to a child voice effects. So if you want to change your voice to normal, you need to click or tick this icon.
Hello guys, so my voice is coming back again. So if you want to change your voice, you need to turn on this icon.
Hello. So that is for child voice effects.
Tell everyone, thank you for watching. Robot Robot.
Hello guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the man.
Hello guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below. I like women.
Hello guys, I'm a man. I'm a woman. It is so fantastic. Okay?
So now we are going to integrate this voice changer into OBS system. So go to OBS, click mic or aux, go to properties and go to Screamingbee audio. So that is your microphone in. So click OK. So now go back to more Box Pro and
Turn on. Oh, so now when you are going to use this on your gaming live or online tutorial, so you can choose one of the following voice effects that I really love to choose Charm because it's so fantastic. So you can try it out and witness how the software is so amazing. Thank you so much, guys,